I'm Alice Saunders, a budget execution analyst with the Office of State Budget and Management. This video will walk you through how to generate a previous month comparison of the BD701 to the RK325 Certified Authorized Report in the new IBIS reporting environment. This report is utilized during quarterly closeout and reflects differences in the certified and the authorized budget as compared to the same information in NCFS. Differences in the authorized budget or the certified budget may require a budget revision to resolve. To generate the report from the OSBM website, you will notice two links, one for Legacy IBIS login and one for NC IBIS login. Do not click on the Legacy IBIS login, as this only contains historical information or non-NCFS information. The purpose of this video will be to focus on the new IBIS working environment, so be cognizant of which link you click on and for what your reporting needs are. So let's click on the NC IBIS login link. Here you will be prompted for your NCID and your NCID password. Let's key in that information and then hit enter. Next, this screen will appear. Notice in the view section in the upper left hand corner that you should see a listing of agencies or brews for which you have authority. For this training video, I will be working in the OSBM view. Next, notice under Home a list of menu options. To generate this report, let's click on Reports. Next, you will see that the IBM Cognos Analytics screen will appear. Also under Home is a listing of menu options. To generate this report, let's click on Team Content. Here you will see self-service reports and system run reports are listed twice for legacy and non-legacy. As previously mentioned, legacy-related links only contain historical information or non-NCFS information. This training video will focus only on new IBIS or non-legacy related information. So let's click on System Run Reports. Click on Budget Execution Reports. And then we want to look for the previous month comparison of the BD701 and the RK325 report. Click. And then we want to click on the previous month comparison of BD701 and RK325 for the final time. This report will automatically be generated in Excel. It will populate in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You can click on the Open File link to open your file and save it and manipulate and analyze at your discretion. To save time, I have generated the report in Excel. This is what the report looks like when you first open it. It will contain a listing of all the agencies that appear in the previous month report. I like to highlight the first row so that I can filter for my particular agency or agencies. So you want to go to Data and hit Filter, and in column A is where all the agency information resides. You want to select your agency if they are on the report. The report selects all is defaulted. You want to deselect select all and filter for your agency. And in this training exercise, I'm going to filter for the Department of Administration and then hit hit OK. And as you can see, the Department of Administration has a lot of information. As of the timing of this video, several agencies' budgets are still being certified, so they are listed in the report. This will not be the case after budget certification and during the normal course of business. During the normal course of business, If none of your agencies are on the report, that is a great thing. No further action is required. If your agency is listed, then resolution is required. As previously mentioned, this report will reflect differences in the certified budget and authorized budget as compared to the same information in NCFS. Differences in the authorized budget or certified budget may require a budget revision to resolve. Work with your budget execution analyst to assist with any issue resolution. This concludes this training video session. For questions or concerns regarding this report, please feel free to contact your budget execution analyst.